Donald Trump and Elon Musk have forced the CFPB to drop 8 enforcement cases against big corporations that could provide money back to millions of Americans after being scammed. Dropped. The big banks behind Zelle for 1B in unchecked consumer fraud on the platform. Dropped. Heights Finance for loan churning practices that harvested hundreds of millions in loan costs and fees. Dropped. TransUnion for ignoring a court order and tricking people in recurring payments. Dropped. Solo funds for deceiving borrowers and imposing deceptive fees on more than 500,000 borrowers. Dropped. Capital One for an alleged scheme cheating millions of consumers out of more than $2 in interest rates on savings accounts. Dropped. Rocket Homes accountable for a kickback scheme to steer borrowers to Rocket Mortgage and block competition in a way that drove up the cost of housing. Dropped. Pennsylvania Higher Education Assistance Agency for collecting on student loans that borrowers did not owe. Dropped. Suing Vanderbilt Mortgage and Finance for setting families up to fail when they borrowed money to buy a manufactured home, knowingly trapping people in risky loans. There are 30 additional pending enforcement cases frozen by the Trump-Musk attack on the CFPB. Here are some of the ways the CFPB helps American consumers that are being undermined by the Trump-Musk attack. Stopping scams before they start. Ensuring companies pay what they owe cheated families. Preventing another housing crash. Protecting our troops. Curbing predatory student lending, voicing consumer complaints, tackling medical debt, Americans to get access to the capital they need. This rule should be effective in mid-March, but is held up by the freeze. Subscribe, like, and share. Democracy and consumer protections die in darkness. Don't let that happen. Millions will suffer while the fat cats get rich ripping us off.